Okay, so today I'm going to be installing this bidet lid that you install right onto your toilet. It plugs in and it has all the features of a bidet. So we just installed one in our master bath and it is fantastic. Now we're gonna install one in another bathroom, but it has all the features that you would want in a bidet, but it's a super easy install. So I'm gonna get it installed. I'll show you how to install it, and then I'll show you all of the different features of it. So let's get to work. Let's get this thing installed, and then I'll show you what it's all about. Okay, so I've got this all set up and I just want to show you the features. In the manual, there are a lot of safety features that you might just want to kind of scroll through and educate yourself on. I love that there is a LED light that's so nice for at night. So you open it up and it's really nice. You want to make sure you don't ever lean on this lid. Let me show you. So this is a giant sensor. So when you sit on it, it activates everything. So when I press on it, you're going to see the water goes on because that activates the sensor. Okay, so I'm going to show you the features of this bidet. I'm going to have the water squirt out, but don't be alarmed. I've got a sink right here, so it's just going right into a sink. So the first thing is I am going to press this because it's all activated by a sensor, and so you got to make the toilet think that somebody's sitting down. So I'm just going to be putting my hand here the whole time. So here is the temperature of the seat. Right here there is a button that you can control that temperature. You can also control the temperature water, the light, which I've shown you. I love that little LED light, and you can also control the dryer temp. So let me just go ahead and show you the features. There is a dryer. Yeah, so if you've been wanting to invest in a bidet and just didn't want to pay the price, the lid is the way to go. I feel like this lid is the way to go because it gives you all the features that you want without having to pay the price, but you do get all of those bidet features. So highly recommend this.